Okay, good morning class 7. Yesterday I have told you difference between mixture and compound. Today we will see how many types of mixtures are there. Mixtures are of many types: solid mixture, solid liquid mixture, solid gas mixture, liquid mixture, gas liquid mixture, gas mixture. Here is a gas mixture example. Solid liquid, small tones and rice, solid and solid, salt and water, solid liquid, smoke with dust is gas and solid. Alcohol in water is liquid. Carbon dioxide and soft drinks, oxygen in water is gas and liquid. So these are the different types of mixtures. Now some are homogeneous mixture and some are heterogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture is a compound that is distributed uniformly in a proper way throughout. For example, what to say? In homogeneous mixture, compounds are not clearly visible and cannot be identified individually. Like a solution of a homogeneous mixture, it has more or two substance. Compound get dissolved, like if I may. Sugar, water with salt. There are three elements, or we mix. We cannot find sugar, salt and water. We can see only water. So this is a solute and solvent. Now, if the solution cannot dissolve any more solute on a specific temperature, the solution is called saturated. Now what is alloy? Alloy is a homogeneous mixture in which two metals or non-metals are used. At a high temperature they are melt and upon solidification form a alloy. Example, the ornaments like this gold ornaments we wear, these are not pure gold, because in this, or as these are made for ornaments, in this gold they use one part of copper to make it hard for making ornaments, whereas pure gold are very soft, and that is known as 24 karat, which you can just, if you press with your finger, it will it can break also. Okay, whereas if you press this one or if you bend it, it will not break, but that one will easily crack or break. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Aluminium. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Aluminium is also an alloy. Stainless steel is an alloy, and iron and carbon. Shoulder wear. Have you seen shouldering in your when your TV or some other parts are broken out? It is being shouldered by a metal. Shoulder wear is an alloy of tin, lead, and antimony. Many objects that we use in our day-to-day life are made of alloys. Yes, aluminium utensils we make, stainless things we make, gold ornaments we wear, bronze we use. So these are the things which we use, are their alloy. Now heterogeneous mixture, a mixture in which the compounds are distributed non-uniformly, is called heterogeneous. The compounds is a mixture that remain clearly visible and can be identified. For instance, if we mix iron filings with soil, we can see iron particles and salts. Next, if we in a glass of water put chalk, it will not dissolve in it, and we can see both them differently. So that is heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture are usually found in the form of suspension or emulsion. Suspension, it is a type of mixture in which the compound does not dissolve completely. The particles that do not dissolve, they remain unequally distributed throughout the mixture. Such particles get settled down. For example, you take a glass, put a mud in it, you still it, you keep it in a glass, not in a steel glass, but you have to take a glass transparent glass so that you can see. After some time you will see the mud is settled down and water is at the top. That is known as suspension. Next, we can do with chalk also. See, next, take out the clear water. That is known as suspension. Now, what is emulation? Emulation is a mixture of two or more normally immiscible liquids, oil and water. It can be mixed oil and water? No, it will not mix together. Most of the substances that we get in the nature are mixture. Milk, tea, tap water, honey, ink, any other similar substance are mixture. They appear to be pure substance because they are homogeneous. Mixture having uniform composition. Example, honey, homogeneous mixture. Pure substance, sugar, glucose, maltose, minerals, vitamins, enzymes and water. Milk is a mixture of varying proportions of carbohydrates, fats, proteins and vitamins in water. This much for today. Next we will start separation techniques. Thank you.